guys to another video of the Obsidian Creeper. Justice sucks. Sadly, we don't have the Stanley Parable adventure line to show us where we need to go, but we do have a murder Roomba that can shoot gold bond at all of your enemies and can brutally destroy. Okay, well, anyway, here's a well, I stopped the last episode because I thought that it would be the end, and that we would fight the boss fight, and that would be its own video. But apparently not. We could have just completed. Oh, well, okay, maybe it is the boss fight. Confirm loadout. Okay. I'm gonna have three hearts and 2 more. Okay. Defeat RoboPal 9000. Oh, RoboPal? I have to destroy RoboPal? Oh, that's well, that guy. Oh my gosh. Well, that guy died. Oh my gosh. Epic music. Oh, we're gonna have a dance battle? Oh my gosh, this game is amazing. Okay, dance battle. I've been training all my life in Just Dance for this moment. Or is it gonna be a Dance Dance Revolution type thing? Okay, okay, maybe not. Oh gosh, maybe it's not a dance battle. Okay. It's a boss battle at least. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. This is the best. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Oh yeah. Yeah, get destroyed. I've actually never played this type of game. Well, kind of, I have. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Woo. Boom. Hey, loser. Boop. Pow, pow, pow. Oh, this is awesome. This might be a short video, but I don't care. Oh my gosh. Hot dang, this is awesome. Oh my. Oh gosh. Yeah. Die. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's going into his pure robot form. Yeah. You wanna mess with me? Wanna mess with me, punk? Wanna mess with me, punk? Yeah. Ow. Okay, that was kind of a brutal hit. Ah, okay. Recharge my energy. Ow. Punch. I have 4 fingers just hitting the left mouse button. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Finish him. I'm a sheep. Hot dang. Okay. Cutscene time. Suck him in. Oh. Yeah, jump off the edge. What the? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no, he's gonna die. Because it's like his anger. Oh no. He was so radical. He's probably just back in the TV dimension, to be honest. Let's just say he's back in the TV dimension. Okay, yeah, it's gonna zoom in on the TV and he's gonna pop out. Yeah, I knew it. I called that. This game is too stupid to have a sad ending and to have a proper story. What the crud? Wow, some sweet dance moves. Some sweet dance moves from Dad. And then everybody's just like, smell my armpits! She's just like, smell my armpits! Smell my armpits! Well, as we have this amazing epic music in the background, that was awesome. That's cool. Well, that's I'm gonna stay in the credits, and I'm not gonna end the video yet, because if there's a like ending cutscene, because I know like Marvel movies and stuff do that, but like what the crud, that was awesome. That was amazing. That was awesome. I'm just gonna let you listen to this epic music. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little dusty. New content, bonus missions. Hey, that's cool. Oh yeah. So if you want to see me play more Justice Sucks and do the bonus missions and like get 100% on all the like TV dimension stuff, because I know I didn't do all of that. See, I didn't do all of Mr. Clean Home or the Void, or I did all the Void. I didn't do all of the Cyber Cruise, or the Turtle Club, or Terminal 4, or, oh wow, Family Corp either. Okay, well I did all of that. There's not much else you can do in the awesome boss fight, but yeah. If you want to see me do challenges or do some of that stuff, then let me know. Like, just let Cthulhu smash that like button, and don't stop Godzilla from stepping on the subscribe button. Bye!